Yes, now we are discussing about food business. In that today we are discussing about mango fruit bar making. These fruit bars are prepared by dehydrating fruit puree into a sheet. The edible option of fruit is pulped, pureed, mixed with different ingredients to improve its physicochemical and sensory characteristics. These are then heated, formed and dried on flat trays until cohesive fruit bar is obtained. The mangoes cut all sides, then peel the upper layer, put into a mixie, mix well, then put into a plate. Spread the juice on the plate, then that plate you can put into micro oven on 60 degrees C, just 5 minutes. Then you can remove from the oven. Now you can see the mango fruit bar. You can cut into small pieces. Here are next point is here are some benefits of mangoes you may not have known. Helps in digestion. Mangoes could help facilitate healthy digestion, promotes healthy gut, boosts immunity, promotes eye health, lowers cholesterol, clears the skin. Even diabetes could enjoy it. Aids weight loss also. And next point is what are the benefits of eating mango. Mango is a low calorie fruit that is high in fiber and is a great source of vitamin A and C. It also contains folate, B6, iron, folate, then B6, then iron and a little calcium, zinc and vitamin E. Mangoes are a good source of antioxidants containing certain phytochemicals such as galactonins and mangiferin. And next point is how many mangoes can I eat a day? Moderation is key. It is best to limit mango no more than 2 cups per day at most. Summery mango is delicious and can be enjoyed in many ways. However, it contains more sugar than many other fruits. So, taking 2 mangoes are enough. More than that, even if it is summer also, it is not good for you. And do mangoes. Next point is can we eat mango at night? It also prevents night blindness and dry eyes. The enzymes in mangoes help breaking down protein content in the body. Enriched with fiber, mangoes aid good digestion and prevents many stomach-related diseases. This summer fruit also helps in preventing heat stroke. And next point is what is the best time to eat mango? It is always better to have mangoes in place of snacks and unhealthy foods in order to promote weight loss. Eating a mango 30 minutes before a workout session keeps you energetic and lets you perform better. Mango is an energy fruit with high content of carb, vitamin C and vitamin B6 in it. Next point is mango good for liver? Then vibrant and rich color of carrots is due to the presence of carotenoid, which is great antioxidant preventing the body internally from free radicals known to cause cancer and heart disease. It also protects livers. It also protects liver. And the katta meeta, raw mango is a great detoxifying ingredient. And next point is does mango increase weight? They think that eating mangoes every day could make you put on weight. According to nutritionists, mangoes are nutritionists say that mangoes are free, are fat free, cholesterol free and salt free and are super fruits for summers. In fact, mangoes can help in losing weight only if they are eaten within a specified calorie limit. But everything should not be overeating. But if you take it in the limit way, nothing is the problem to you. And next point is which is the best time for eating fruits. The best time to eat fruits is the first thing in the morning after a glass of water. Eating fruits right after a meal is not a great idea, as it may not be digested properly. The nutrients may not be absorbed properly either. You need to leave a gap of at least 30 minutes between a meal and a fruit snack. This is the information regarding mango fruit bar making. So it is also a profitable business, and so many will take it, but marketing is also most important. If we can do marketing very well, it is also a very good mango fruit bars can be sold in bakery shops and in chocolate shops and in stationery shops also. With bakeries and chocolates will be there, biscuits will be there. With that, mango fruit bars also will go very well. Wishing you all the best.